Americans spend over $500 billion every single year just on rent. Yes, $500 billion just on rent, a place to live on a month-to-month basis. If you couldn't tell by the new set, recently I moved into this apartment complex here, so of course I'm paying rent as well. I'm part of that $500 billion every single year, and by all means, it's not cheap. On this YouTube channel, I typically advocate that people pay pretty much everything with credit cards. I recommend credit cards all the time to people just because if you're gonna buy something, you might as well buy something and get some cash back for it. And obviously, if you're gonna use those credit cards, make sure you're using them the right way so you get the most cash back without paying any money in interest. That means paying off your credit card in full every single month and making sure it's paid on time every single month. Right now, I have over 9 different credit cards. This is 4 right here, probably my 4 most used credit cards right here, but I have over 9, and like I said before, I have all different reasons why I use these particular credit cards to do what I do when I go out and shop and buy things that I naturally are gonna buy anyway. So today, of course, we're gonna talk about another credit card, if you couldn't tell by the title of the video, and that credit card is the Bilt Mastercard, also partnered with Wells Fargo. So pretty new partnership. We're gonna talk about it all in today's video, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. What's going on, people? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. I make videos going over all types of personal finance content here on YouTube. So that means saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards, all different types of stuff, all related to personal finance right here on Dollar Mike. So if you're interested in stuff like that, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more content like it. On top of that, I also have a vlog channel. It's pretty new, so if you want to check that out, the link will be right up there for the vlog channel, lifestyle, all that kind of good stuff. And let's get back to what we were talking about, which is the Bilt Mastercard partner with Wells Fargo. As I mentioned before, Americans are dropping over $500 billion a year in rent. I have 9 credit cards, and I currently advocate for credit cards so you can get cash back on every single purchase you make. And currently my rent is over $2,000 every single month. So if I was to earn an average of 1% back on that $2,000 that I have to pay every single month, I'm automatically gonna get $20 back every single month just for simply paying my rent, which is something I have to do anyway. And that's the whole point of the credit cards. That's why I use credit cards for every single purchase that I make if I can. And it's just that simple. So the Bilt Rewards credit card, the Bilt Mastercard credit card, whatever you want to call it, that's exactly what they're used for. It's going to be used for rent payments. That's their whole point behind it. And it partners with a whole bunch of different rental companies that allow you to make rent payments without bothering with that extra fee. And I mentioned that fee because normally, yes, you can pay your rent with a credit card. Maybe one of these credit cards here, maybe you have a different credit card, I don't know. But normally, yes, you can pay your rent with a credit card. But when you pay your rent with a credit card, you usually have to deal with some type of fee. Maybe it's about 3% of whatever your rent may be, something like that. For me right now in this apartment complex, my current fee, or if I use a credit card to pay, the current fee will be $79. So I'll have to pay my rent and also pay a $79 fee on top of that. That's pretty much a processing fee that I don't know if they made up or that's like some type of standard or something, or if it's just the 3% of the rent. I'm not sure, but it's $79 and I don't want to pay it. So this credit card right here is going to solve all that for you, because with you using this credit card to pay for your rent, it's covered and you don't have to pay any fee at all, and you can still use your rent to get cash back. I can dodge that $79 fee when it comes to paying for my rent if I just connect it to my bank account and simply pay straight from my bank account. But when I pay straight from my bank account, I don't collect any type of cash back or any type of bonus for simply paying my rent. And with this credit card, you can do exactly that. Landlords like Avalon Communities, SL Green, Blackstone, and many more are already partnered with this card right now. Hopefully we get even more partners in the future. I'll put them all on the screen for you right now as well. And this all allows you to pay for your rent fee-free, and on top of paying for your rent, you're also going to earn cash back, which you can use towards a slew of things through the Bilt Rewards program. On top of that, that's not even all the benefits the credit card offers. So let's get into all the benefits right here. So of course, you're going to get that 1 times points back in rent, and that's up to 50,000 points per year. You're going to get 2 times the points back in travel every time you use this card, 3 times the points back in cash back, and another 1 times the points back on everything else you spend, all wrapped into the perfect card, which doesn't charge you an annual fee at all. This is a $0 annual fee card, so you don't have to worry about paying an annual fee at all with this card. So overall, that's pretty great in itself. And on top of that, they also have some other MasterCard benefits like MasterCard Zero Liability Protection, and you're building a healthy credit score just by simply paying your bills. Like I mentioned before, you can redeem these points for tons of different things like free travel, fitness classes, general cash back, and more. Lastly, if you want to take advantage of this, the card is available right now. If you go ahead and sign up with my link down below, then I'll get a small kickback from it that'll greatly help out the channel. So I really do appreciate appreciate that. You do not have to sign up with my link at all. And honestly, I would get the card myself, but Brookfield Properties, this apartment complex I'm in right now, is owned by Brookfield Properties. So it's not on the list just yet. Hopefully it'll be on the list in the future. If you're watching Wells Fargo, Bilt, if you're watching, please add it and I'll go ahead and get that card. And I can show it to you guys if I do get that card. But either way, if it's not on the list, the app will tell you which ones are on the list before you even apply for the credit card, so you'll be all good to go there. But if you want to sign up, the link will be down below, and you can get yourself some points when you sign up as well. So there you guys go. I'm telling you guys, credit cards are such a great tool to use if you use them correctly. Make sure you're paying them off in full every single month. Make sure you pay them on time, and you'll be all good to go. They'll collect you tons of free points. They're all right here. They'll collect you tons of free points that you can use for just about anything. I'm not advocating for the Bilt credit card, though I do believe it's great. I'm advocating for all credit cards because I think they're great as long as you use them the right way, as they should be used. Either way, with the Chase one I got right here, that's pretty much our first class free travel anywhere around the world right now with the amount of points I have on that. And the other credit cards just offer even more benefits to me. So definitely sign up, get yourself some credit cards, build your credit, and do you only know what's best for yourself. So I can't tell you what's best for you. I can only guide you in the right direction if I try to do that. So either way, if you learned something out of this video, if you want to go ahead and sign up, you can sign up with the link down below, and that's going to be about it. So like I said before, if you learned something, hit the like on the video. I really appreciate it. That's all I really ask, and we'll be all good to go. Let me know what credit cards you got in the links down below. Well, links in the comment section down below. Let me know what credit cards you got. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions or anything like that, definitely just leave those down in the comment section below, or check out my other credit cards video other credit cards videos. I'll have a link to all my credit card video playlists probably right up there. So thank you guys for watching. As always, take care of yourselves. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Stay safe, stay positive. Peace.